Hey traders, Luke from Breakout Trading here, and we had another wicked awesome day. We started the Breakout 2020 Small Account Challenge um, January 1st or January 2nd, whatever the first trading day of the year was, and we haven't traded every single day, but on the days we have traded, our current record stands 15 winning days, one losing day. That's pretty incredible. And what we're doing is we're taking um, my strategy, which is more instructional. Stocks have to meet certain criteria, and Tony's strategy, and combining the two and back testing it on paper for 30 days, 30 solid trading days. And I mean, we're already at the point where one more day, that's 16 winners. Uh, you know, we can't have more than, we can't lose at this point. So we're basically in the green, and everything is working out. So the strategy, I mean, I can't even poke holes in it. It is just as long as I am disciplined in every you know factor of my trading. The strategy works, and that's the key. Is just to have a strategy that works, and this is an easy strategy. This can be taught to anybody. Whether new or experienced or whatever, but it's a strategy that works, and it's just it's incredible. It is based off of, in some degree, the five finger strategy. That is still in effect. We've just stepped up our technicals. We have better technical reading. We have certain points we like to enter. We now can identify channels, and we're more about taking base hits than hitting home runs. And killing red is extremely important. That's like VIR today. It was one of those stocks we traded. Just traded it. I thought it had some potential, and it didn't really. And I just killed it before it went red. Same thing with AIM. AIM was my topic of the day. Took off out the gate, and you know, in a sense, we knew that that was going to happen. That was the only text alert that I sent out today was AIM, and that's because just the technicals told us that it was going to do something. We like the channel, we like everything. So here was the text alert right here, and I think AIM still has potential for today. I don't know, but I'm done. I took my base hits. I'm done. And if you would like to sign up, not sign up, it's free. If you'd like to join, if you look in the description, there's a link to our text alerts, and there's a link to our just regular chat room. But again, the strategy is amazing, and if you want to learn the strategy from front to back, that is actually part of the Breakout 2020 initiative. It's paper trade, the new strategy. Then part two is have the strategy written concrete on paper so that it can be literally read like a book. Okay, this is the strategy. This is what we're looking for. This is what to watch out for. Today we kept watching out for. We were getting the three black crows, which is a very bearish signal. Which gave me the incentive to take a partial, and so on and so forth. So there's things to watch out for. There's certain disciplines. Don't trade on a lack of sleep. Don't trade if you're in a bad mood. Don't trade, you know, those are like just random disciplines. And then there's disciplines such as, you know, uh, never chase a stock. Never, the trend is your friend. And, trade long when the market is bullish, and things of that nature. And you know, what made me pick AIM today? Well, in the pre-market, it was one of the biggest gainers, and we basically looked at all of them. And this stock in particular, AIM, it fell right where I like my stocks. It fell. Um, you could see here 135 is the beginning of a channel that goes all the way up to $2. Um, then you have, if you look at the pivot points, I always trade the pivot points. At 139, at 139, at $1.39 is the R1. Now, in between the R1 and the R2 is my favorite place to trade. So you can see that there's a nice range there, 140 to 180. And here you have a kind of a confirmation. You have 135 to $2. They're very similar. And you have the potential for it to break the 52-week high. So it was just my kind of stock. And on top of that, it was up on news that the coronavirus, they might have something for that, and it just called out to me. There was really nothing else. I was looking at this Qterra. That would have been I was going to get into that, but then I didn't want to chase it. Qterra did very well today. It opened at about 885. It's at 928. You could have made some money off of that, but just as well, you would have made a higher percentage off of AIM just on this move right here. So, yeah, if you want to learn more about, if you're watching this on YouTube right now, make sure you subscribe, because I am going to be putting out a series of videos about the strategy. And also, if you're interested in learning about the Series 7, that's something that we're going to do as well. But don't forget to sign up to, down below. It's free for the text alerts and the chat room. Anyway, guys, that's it. That's my update. Strategy's working. 15 winning days. 1 losing day. Let's keep it going. Let's see if we can get to 29 winning days and 1 losing day. That would be not impossible. It's really not impossible. Once you build that level of confidence, and once you've been trading for a while, even if it's just a year, you start to understand like movement and momentum and volume and the VWAP and the 9-day moving average and the Bollinger Bands and how they all kind of move in conjunction. And when you read a chart, it's as easy as reading English if you are American, Australian, Irish, British, and pretty much anyone else in Europe. They all speak English over there. But that's it for today, guys. Enjoy the rest of your day, and let's have a successful day tomorrow.